everyone, welcome to my class. In this today's episode, we are going to discuss about one of the company, that is Flipkart. In the previous episode, we learned that one of the famous company, that is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. So then let me say about Flipkart company. So Flipkart company, it was incorporated in the year 2007 and its headquarter Singapore. It is one of the legal domicile Bangalore, Karnataka, India. So this is operational headquarter. And founders of this company, Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Present head or CEO of this company, Kalyan Krishnamurthy, and CFO Sriram Venkataraman. So this is for the structure of this company. Now let me discuss about introduction part of this company. Now see about this company introduction. So Flipkart company is one of the e-commerce company. Here selling almost everything retail through its website and mobile applications. That means Flipkart, it is one of the retail website. Under that we can buy the goods and services with the help of website and also the mobile application. And this Flipkart, it was founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal in 2007. So this is what regarding the introduction of this Flipkart company. Now let me see about history of this company. Flipkart was founded in October 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, that is alumni of the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, and former Amazon employees. So it was founded by Sachin Bansal and also Binny Bansal, that is in the year 2007 October. Okay. And this company initially focused on online book sales with country and wide shipping. Okay, initially it has been started like or focused on online book selling. Okay, online book sales with a country and wide shipping. And Flipkart slowly grew in prominence and it receiving 100 orders per day by 2008, and slowly it has been influenced with many areas or many people, and it has been grew in prominence and was receiving 100 orders per day by 2008. In this way, this is what the history of this company. Now let me see about a philosophy of this company. So the main philosophy of this company, that is, it has been vision as well as mission. So in that vision, the vision of this company, that is to become Amazon of India. Okay, to become Amazon of India. This is what vision, and also mission is providing delightful customer experience. That means by providing a delightful customer experience means provision of what the customer experience, a delightful customer experience. So this is what the vision of this company. Now let me see about portfolio of company and products and services which are offered. The catalog of products and services on offer on the website and mobile applications range of electronics to appliances, fashion for men, women and kids, ticket booking, flight booking, and also home appliances and furnitures, etc. So these are the services which are offered by the Flipkart company, that is the catalog of products and services which offer, that is through the help of website and mobile applications, that is a range of electronics to appliances, fashion for men, women and kids, and also for ticket booking, flights booking, and for home appliances, furnitures, etc. So this is what the products and services which are offered by this company. Then what are the subsidiaries of this company? Flipkart and its subsidiaries, there are Myntra for fashion, Jabong for fashion, PhonePe, this is for online payment channel, eCart, logistics and retail, and also Jeeves and True Good. So these are the subsidiaries of Flipkart. Okay, so Myntra for fashion, Jabong for fashion, PhonePe, this is what online payment channel, eCart, logistics and retail, Jeeves along with a True Good. So this is what the subsidiaries of this company. So this is regarding the some of the informations regarding this company. So in the next episode we'll continue further some more concepts regarding some other companies. Okay, thank you.